Now see a source of electromagnetic waves. What is the source of electromagnetic wave? According to Maxwell's theory, oscillating charge produces electromagnetic waves. Suppose you have taken the two charges like this is your plus and minus, and these charges are oscillating, or completely these charges are being to oscillate, made to oscillate. By this way, suppose the oscillation of the charge is like this is here sinusoidal, like this. What happened when the charges are oscillating here, like this, electric field is changing. That means electric field is also oscillating. So when charges oscillate with a certain frequency, electric field also oscillates, or you can see oscillating electric field is produced. When oscillating electric field is produced, in turn oscillating magnetic field is produced. So here oscillating electric field is producing magnetic field, and also oscillating magnetic field can produce here now the oscillating electric field. So actually electric field and magnetic fields are regenerating each other. By this way actually waves propagates. So frequency of the oscillation of the charge is actually equal to the frequency of the wave generated. So because of this oscillation of the charge in space or the oscillation of the magnetic field, electromagnetic waves are produced, and the electromagnetic waves travel through space. First time electromagnetic waves were was produced by Hertz, and then after that this electromagnetic waves were produced by here the J.C. Jagdish Chandra Bose in Calcutta University, and he generated electromagnetic waves of the few millimeters and the short wavelength, and also after that the Marconi generated the electromagnetic waves. So basically the source of electromagnetic wave is oscillating charge or accelerated charge.